Okay, good morning here at Digipharm, the third annual Digipharm 2011, and Digipharm is known to be the only pharma strategic digital marketing conference in the Millennium Hotel today. So welcome, and we're very pleased to see that the room is completely booked. Let me introduce myself first. I wish I had three hands. My name is René van der Bos. I'm a veterinarian from education. I was in private practice for 4 years, after which I joined the veterinary pharmaceutical industry with Intervet International, which currently is MSD Animal Health. And there I started as a technical manager in the international marketing department and developed my further in marketing communication and became an international product manager for a couple of years. And during that period, together with my business partner, Erik, we experienced the rise of new and social media, and that was so exciting that we started our own company, DigiRedo, which we're now working on for about 4 or 5 years together. And next to me is Erik.
Oh yeah, that's me already on the screen. Yeah. So my name is Erik van der Zijden, and I once studied medical biology, but then when I was working at Janssen Pharmaceutical and research, I found out that killing 2,000 mice in a day was not going to be my challenge in life. So I started a commercial career within the pharma industry, started at Organon, and then moved my way also to Intervet, having various functions in global marketing and sales. And as René just told, started our company a couple of years ago, where we focus on implementing and developing this scary stuff that we're going to talk about today and tomorrow. We have a few house rules, and number one is, this is a one over there. If you have internet, and Bernadette, thank you very much for telling that there is no internet, because telling here on this conference that there's no internet with all these laser pointers in the room, that won't be a very smart idea. So if there's internet, please check in Foursquare and let the world know where you are and that you're going to have a good time. Number two.
And in addition, you should at least use the hashtag Digipharm on Twitter. And I hope it will be up and running within a few minutes. And then let the whole world know what's going to happen here. Let's share what we are sharing these coming 2 days.
And then number three is that we have a particular way of telling the speakers that it is time to go. So what we'll be doing is you have about 30 minutes, and we'll be sitting here. And when it is 5 minutes before your time, we just stand up, and we're going to stand here. You know, just not really obvious. But every minute passes by, we're going to be a bit more closer, until it's time, and then we're here. So that feels uncomfortable, hopefully. But of course, please keep track of the time, and we'll help you a bit with that. Number four.
We have something special for you, and you will find this little device. Yes, because we're going to do, well, we're not the only ones in action here. We need your input as well. So every time when you hear this sound, that was a bit, I'll try it again. You have to take out your little laser pointers. Has everybody found the laser pointer? Okay. Okay. Now this is going to be used for survey throughout these 2 days. And as you will experience, your opinion is being put on the screen completely anonymously. Because that is what we're going to use it for. You're going to point out what your opinion is on certain questions we're going to ask you. Now we have to practice first, so if everybody has his laser pointer, please go to the far corner here on my side. All of you, and yes, try to be follow your own dot, keep it as still as possible. Yeah, everybody there, and then we move to the complete other side there with Erik.
Over here, yeah.
Okay, follow your own dot,
Try my hand. Not my eyes, please.
Okay, okay, and then we'll try here on the screen. Again, point to my hands. You may pick one.
Well,
Not my eyes on particular body parts, please.
it's you have small hands apparently, but
Okay, thank you very much. Now we're going to take this a bit more seriously. We're going to ask you the following question. The effect of social media in pharma is strongly overestimated. Please give me your opinion on this question. And try to get on the screen. It's not so... Okay, well, what do you think? What do you think, Erik?
that is interesting. A lot of people actually agree that the effect of social media in pharma is strongly overestimated. So where are you pointing at?
I'm pointing at agree.
Why?
Well, because I think a lot of patients are, for example, not social media experts or going there. Or
So you say patients don't use social media?
yeah, well, of course some do, but not all of them.
Okay, so the patients don't use social media, so pharma shouldn't do either.
And we can't talk to the patient directly, so maybe there's too much legislation there.
Okay, legislation. We're going to talk about that for today.
Who else said that he agrees or she agrees with the fact that social media is overestimated in pharma? Some hands, please. There must be more than one in this room that agreed with that statement. What was your opinion, sir?
I disagree strongly.
Strongly. And why is that?
Well, first of all, I think patients do use social media in large degrees. And I, agree with the fact that obviously pharma cannot communicate directly, but that doesn't exclude healthcare professionals that also use social media to a very large degree.
And what should the role of pharma be in that?
They should engage with both groups as much as possible.
So we should get the word out.
Definitely.
Okay, so...
I have here somebody who agrees, right?
I agree.
Yeah. Why?
Well, I believe the commercial content of the message is absent from the media network, the social media platform. It may be educational, but the actual commercial exchange is not apparent at this platform.
But that is maybe, should pharma be commercial?
Well, pharma it's not necessarily non-profit. I think health is profitable, and I think intelligent decisions are made for profit. But I think with regard to media, and I believe the first comment is quite accurate, that the demographics of the participants in social media are apparent, but many outside the actual exchange.
Okay, thank you very much.
So, well, we surveyed this before the conference. You've received a questionnaire, and there indeed around 50% disagreed, or agreed with the fact that social media in pharma is strongly overestimated. But that's quite interesting, because some companies really pushing it to get the word out. I mean, they want to be heard. I'll give you an example. Sound, please.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Ray Cokes, new head of marketing at Boehringer Ingelheim. Welcome to our top secret state-of-the-art development lab here at BIHQ. As you can see, a team of highly trained professionals are working around the clock, striving for perfection. Perfect. Their only motivation is innovation. Brilliant. They are constantly pushing the envelope outside of the boundaries because we believe that in this brave new world there are better marketing tools than Facebook or Twitter. An idea needs legs. An idea needs to fly. Isn't that right, my lovely lady? A dedicated team is a winning team. And here we can see our department of Too Cool for School. The key to success with this game-changing strategy is simple. Word of mouth, or WOM, as we professionals call it, and this is how it works. So, my little mobile marketing manager, what have we learned today? What have we learnt in school? Hey?
Say, Boehringer Ingelheim.
Sauerkraut!
Now, I'm not going to ask you to pronounce it out loud together, but as a vet, I'm a bit concerned about putting parrots in boxes, but at least this was engaging, wasn't it? Well, I hope that we're going to have an engaging session these coming 2 days, and I hope to have a lot of interaction, and I'm looking forward to all your participation.